Hey guys, welcome back to this module. In this video guys, I'm going to share with you how to create videos from blog articles. So if you have a blog content and you want to actually gain traffic from other social media platforms or from YouTube, then this is going to be very important because you can create snippets of your entire blog post in form of a video using PICTORY and then share that to different social media, to YouTube, to gain more traffic, especially if you're starting up your website or your blog and you want to get this extra traffic. This is very much important. So basically we are going to be using the second type of videos that you can create with PICTORY right here, article to videos, where we simply just need the link to our blog post and we can create videos with that. So I'm going to be using one of my content right here on medium.com. As you can see, what are some best value in audio microphones for YouTube, and we have the content right here. Now this exact strategy is going to work for any link. So basically right here, you just want to copy the link of your blog post. So we click on to copy, we move on back right here to PICTORY, and right here we paste the link of that blog post and we click on to proceed. Now once we do that guys, PICTORY is very intelligent. What they are going to do, they are going to give us an AI powered summary. So they are going to look through our entire blog article and try to pick out a snippet out of that entire blog article to use that to create a very short video for us. But basically I'm going to run you through exactly how this works and how to use this just by using the PICTORY AI. Alright guys, so you could see what PICTORY has done. From the link we actually pasted on PICTORY, it has been able to pull out the entire blog article, and not just that, right here you could see it has pulled out an AI powered summary. So what you want to look is consider this summary. You could see it's in scene, different scene, and look to see if that is exactly what you want to cover. If that is not the case, we can decide to add some more. As you can see, I just added this line, and if we want to add another line, probably want to add this line to it, we can click onto that line and then it's added. So all of the green highlighted text are what is going to appear in this scene. So as you can see, I'm going to apply this other scene right here, and let's see, I think we have all of the scene covered. So you could see right here we have scene 1, we have the first microphone right here. As you can see, it's some of the best value. We have the second, the third, and the fourth. So every of the details we want covered in our blog post are covered. So that is how you do that. So once you are done right here, another thing I want to share with you is scene settings. You can see auto highlight keyword, auto visual selection. So all of these you want to make sure it's turned on, and then you can click on to next. Now once you click on to next, we move on to the template library where we can select our library. So previously we used this particular template. So in this module I'm going to look through and see if we can use some order. So probably we want to use this, probably want to use this. So the caption standard, I don't really like those, so I'm just going to scroll down to see if I find something that I like right here. So probably I want to actually use this explainer video right here. Click on to select right here, and we just need to select our aspect ratio. So 16:10 or 9 ratio. So let's just go, probably we are going to go with 9:16, or let's just leave it with this and click on to continue right here. So what it's going to do is going to just give us, try as much as possible to give us a close video footage for each of the scene we have actually selected. So that's what it's going to do for us in a bit of a second. So right here, PICTORY has done its work and has pulled out some scene right here. So we have scene 1 down to scene 10 right here. And basically, like I showed you in the previous format, we just have to go through all of it right here. So we go through from the very first one right here. So these are the stories. You could decide to edit what you want, but I'm just going to go strictly to visuals right here, and let's see scene 1, some of the best microphones. So we could decide to preview just this scene by clicking onto this preview button right here. So probably I do not like this scene 1. What I could easily do is just simply look through what we have right here. As you can see, probably I'm going to just use this. I'm just going to highlight this or tap on this or drag it, and then replace scene 1 with the best scene possible to me based on all of this video footage this particular AI or artificial intelligence has actually provided for us. So we'll move on to scene 2. Right here there are several good. I think that scene is perfectly arranged. Go on to scene 3. We have this. Probably I'm just going to change this with this, since we have this already for the very first one. So I'm going to change it with this, and we can decide right here to go with look through this, look through all of the scene, and make sure it's very much suitable. Now another thing we could do, just like an added information, now because basically right here you could see I'm talking about mics, and these are mics that exist on their own. We could decide to go onto the internet and find videos of this mic specifically, and then right here on Pictory we can go onto this visual, go onto my upload, and upload those videos and use them for the specific video footage while the subtitle still remains on the screen. That is something you could easily do. So you can get video anywhere you can from the internet. It could be videos on your phone, it could be videos from the product page or anything like that, and you can add it to it. Just want to share that with you once again. So we can go on to element, add stickers, GIF, emoji. All of these were covered in our previous module, so I'm not going to go through that. So what we could do is to go on to audio, and we can add a background music. I've already said that we can add a 100% voiceover. So I could decide to add a voiceover. I'll select male, and I could decide to add Matthew. So let's just click on to Matthew, apply, and basically we have the voiceover applied immediately to this. I'm going to preview this for you once we're done with the editing. So guys, you see in this case we added Pictory's artificial intelligence voiceover. We didn't have our special voiceover, but like I will say time and time again, make sure if you are doing this, and if you are going to be doing this for YouTube, make sure you add a 100% human voiceover. And even for different social media, it just helps to increase your traffic when people can much more relate to the person speaking while your footage is being shown on the screen. So we'll go on to text. We can do what we can with that. The style, we already chose a template style at the beginning, so we do not need to change that. But you could, if you are not liking what you see, you can go onto the style library. There are lots of styles in the style library that we can pick from, so I'm just going to leave that. Also with branding, this is something I'm going to cover in a different module, so for now let's leave that. And also, like I said initially, in the format we can decide to change the aspect ratio and also change the video resolution. But once you're done with everything, I'm going to just simply go ahead and preview what we've done, and then we can generate this video.
What are some best values in audio/video microphones for YouTube? There are several good values.
So you could see this is Pictory artificial intelligence voiceover. Previously we used Speechalo, but in this case we are using the voiceover provided for us by Pictory. So you could see how it sounds, the difference.
Audio/video microphones that we could consider. Audio Technica ATR 2100X USB. This is a versatile microphone that can be used for streaming, podcasting, and recording. It has a built-in USB interface and a cardioid polar pattern, which helps to reduce background noise and focus on the sound in front of the microphone. Rode NT USB Mini. This is a compact and portable microphone.
So you could see how easy this is and how seamlessly fast we can do this. We can generate thousands and thousands of content as much as we can every single day using this particular AI. So once you're done, you just simply go on to generate, click onto the video format, and basically video generation in progress is going to create the scene, generate the video. We can download it into our computer, and from there guys we can simply upload it to different platforms of our choice. Hey guys, welcome back to this video module. In this particular video I'm going to share with you how to use Pictory to add subtitle or caption to your already made videos. So let's say you have an already made video, probably a video of you showing your face, or you created the video using some kind of a software out there, and then you want to add subtitle to that particular video. Now this tutorial, this module is going to share with you how to do that. Now it is very important that you add subtitles to your videos, because sometimes viewers do not want to watch this video with the volume turned up, so you want to make sure you have subtitles. It actually increases engagement, it makes people watch your video much more longer, so it increases your section time and also your watch time. So I'm going to share with you how to use Pictory to actually do that. So basically we want to use this section right here. You edit videos using text. and as you can see, recommended for adding subtitles automatically. So basically what you want to do is you want to click on to proceed right here. Now you could see there are two options right here that we can use. So the first option is by dropping the YouTube video link. So if you have this video already on YouTube, you can just place in the link of that video right here and basically proceed. Or if you have that video already on your computer, then you can basically just drag or upload that particular video from your computer down to PICTORY. Or probably you have it in your Google Drive, then you just need to connect your Google Drive to PICTORY and then extract it from that particular drive. So basically I'm going to walk you through how to use the uploaded video section. Now what I just simply did, I went on to YouTube and I just found a video on YouTube that basically do not have a subtitle. So I found this video right here from Brightside. So I'm going to use this as an example right here, downloaded the video, and that is what we're going to use right here. So I'm going to click right here to drag, and we have the video right here, and then we upload it into the computer. So once it's right here uploaded, we click on to proceed right here. As you can see, number of speakers help us improve video transcription quality by a specific number of speakers in the video. So I'm just going to leave it at 1, click on to proceed, and as you can see, what this is going to do, it is going to actually upload this video into this PICTORY AI, and then we can automatically add subtitles to this video right now. So alright guys, once we get to this page, you can see exactly what we're talking about. So you can see on the transcription we only have one speaker because this is a video, this is one video voiceover. And also you could see right here we already have the subtitle added to this. So scrolling down right here, you could see we have the template library that shows you how you want the subtitle. So if you want it the standard subtitle, you can have it right here. You want the subtitle italics, caption subtitle, subtitle default right here. So I could decide to go for subtitle italics, and this is going to actually just change right here. I'm going to click onto that, and basically it's just going to change the video format. But basically you could see how simple this is, as you can see right here. And we could actually go ahead, let me just finish with this. We could actually go ahead, there are other things I'm going to share with you which is very important. So basically right here you could see we can remove filler words. So we can remove filler words from the subtitle. We can also remove silence. Now if you are adding subtitle to your video, you want to make sure you turn this on. Very important, you want to make sure there is no filler words and there is no silence showing in your subtitle. So you could see we could put in more than 2 seconds, so that is okay, and then we can turn this on. Now once you do that, your subtitle is going to be free from all that. Also right here you can increase the subtitle line. Probably we want the subtitle to be in 2 lines, we can have it right here, but I'll just stick to having subtitles for 1 line. So basically right here what I'm going to do is I'm going to play this video so you see how the subtitle looks. Now I think another thing you need to note is while picking the subtitle template library, you need to be concerned about the color of the subtitle. So you could see for most often the subtitle default has this black color that makes it very visible, but the italic is actually wonderful. So what I'll do is I'm just going to play this video for you, probably the first few seconds, so you see how it works.
People are having dinner on a restaurant terrace. Jennifer is wearing 2 large gold bracelets and gold rings on each of her fingers. Martin's fiddling with a brand new.
So right now what I'm going to do quickly is I'm going to actually just render this video, download this video, and then play it for you to see exactly how far this works. But basically I think while we preview it, it was not able to do that because the system is not automatically done with rendering all of our subtitles to this video. But once we are done rendering this video, you should be able to see it out there that all of the subtitles matches with each scene in the video that we actually uploaded into the PICTORY artificial intelligence. So once you added your subtitle and you are okay with it, what you can simply do is simply just go ahead and render. Now obviously I'm going to share with you about highlights and transcription in other video modules, but for now we just simply want to stick with adding subtitles to our video, and then we render that particular video. So we'll click on to render right here, and as you can see, preparing for video generation. Hey guys, In this particular video module, I'm going to share with you how to create video highlights from long videos. So let's say you have this long video of 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but then you want to create a shorter version of this particular video, like a 1 minute version of this. Now this is very much helpful if you want to actually repurpose your content. Probably you create a YouTube video of 15 minutes on YouTube, and then you want to repurpose this content in form of Instagram Reels, YouTube Short, or TikTok video. Then you can actually just input your long form video into PICTORY, and PICTORY is able to share a video highlight of less than 1 minute for you that you can now repurpose in different social media platform using different aspect ratio of your choice. Now this allows you to generate more traffic to repurpose your content across different platforms, thereby increasing your business. So I'm going to share with you how to use PICTORY artificial intelligence to actually do this. So right here we are onto the PICTORY dashboard. You want to use this format right here, edit videos using text, and as you can see, create video highlights. What you want to do is to click on to proceed right here, and as you can see already, we do have 3 choices right here: using the YouTube video link, uploading the video directly, or just connecting using PICTORY Cloud, connecting it with your Google Drive and just uploading the videos from there. Now in our previous video module, we actually talked about how you can upload videos from your computer and then create your subtitles. So you already know how to use this particular function. So I'm going to walk you through how to use the YouTube video link. So we are going to just paste our YouTube video link right here, and then we'll click on to proceed right here. Now numbers of speaker, I actually just stick with 1 and click on to proceed right here. And then what this is going to do is going to process this file, and as you can see, video uploading in progress. It's going to render that video, take it from YouTube, and not just that guys, it's going to actually add the highlights for you and also subtitle. So guys, once we are actually done rendering the video, you could see we could be right here right now. So you could see right here, you could see this is the transcription, but what we are concerned about is creating highlights. So as you can see, no highlight found. Now basically what you want to do to create this highlight is to click on to auto highlight right here. So you could see right here, this is something that is very important. So we could select through the highlight. So you could see right here that this video seems to be like a 41-minute video, and we could decide to actually create a 2-minute video out of it right there. That is 5% of the entire video. So I'm just going to click on to 5% right here, and then what it's going to do, as you can see, is going to create the video highlight right here. So it's going to take a bit of time, but then PICTORY is going to do a very good job in trying to bring out the best information in these long videos that we can use right now quickly, that is going to pass the right message in a 5% or 2-minute video version of the longer form content. So right here you can see what this has done quickly. I'm just going to turn off all of these new fixtures, and as you can see, it's on 5% and has created this video highlight for us right here. So we could easily scroll through and see all of the details that are involved in this video highlight. Now basically, for those of you that probably you want this much more shorter, you could decide and just cancel off some of the slide right there. It's super easy for you to actually get that done. So it's very easy. You can go ahead and just cancel some of the slide right here. So probably if you do not want this, you just simply have to just tick on it and just delete it. It's very much simple, or just cancel that particular scene. But as you can see, some of the features right here is that we can download video clip from the selected, and we can highlight this video. So we have right here a 2-minute version of the entire video. Now just quickly guys, you could see we could also put in a subtitle to our video highlight. We could increase the maximum line. You want to make sure while adding your subtitle, you remove your filler words and you remove silence also. So click onto that and we turn that on. So also scroll down right here, we can also add our subtitle template. So I mostly love using subtitle italics, and basically once you click onto that, you are going to see that the subtitle is going to change a little right here. So as you can see, we have this format right here, and we could decide to use this for our video. Now once you are done creating this highlight, obviously you want to go through it, make sure it has the necessary information that you want. You can also do the highlight yourself. You can unhighlight the video like I said, but once it has the necessary highlight, you can simply go ahead and generate your highlight for yourself. But another thing you can do is you can also customize the highlighted video. So you can click on to customize video highlight right here, and then this is going to take you from this highlight page down to the normal dashboard of your Pictory, where you can easily add other scene, you can add a lot of other fixtures. I'm going to share with you quickly. Once this video starts, it's done preparing for video customization. Okay guys, so you could see right here we have moved on from the highlighted dashboard right here to the normal Pictory dashboard, and this is where you can also, you already know about this in a previous video module, where you can add your visuals, you can add your element, you can add audio, subtitle, testing and branding. So it's very much easy for you to understand how this works. I do not really need to walk you through this entire process, but I just want to share with you that you can move from that particular page down to this particular page, and then once you're done adding your visuals or background music or voiceover, it all depends on what you want to do. You can simply go ahead and generate video as you used to, and then you have your video highlights.